Right, here we have the quick review. The car looks like this. It has a very nice setting to align the wheel. If your car is going towards left, then you can, or towards right, then you can change it from here. Power button, type C charging port, nice tire. This one is just aux, this is a hard one, you cannot use it. Here also we have little suspensions, so let me show you from this side. You see the little spring, so there's a little play of it. Let's start it. Once started, it will blink. You then turn on the remote. When it is paired, the blinking stops. Now you can use it. This button is for changing the light. Now it stopped. This button is for turbo speed, but you can use it when the car is moving. You see this nice bumper, plastic bumper. It's strong and attached to this body, so even if it dashes onto walls, it's fine. Okay, one more thing. When it's on, the light blinks here. And out of the 4 wheels, only the rear 2 are connected with the drive motor, like this. And the front 2 wheels, those are connected with the directional motors. Okay. So if I have to show it here, you can also see this portion moving. It's very nicely done.